Layouts featuring single beds are among the best sellers when it comes to camper van build-outs. The Avanti E is the second model with single beds by Hesse-based camper company Strada. At 6.36 meters, the Avanti E has enough space for 2 beds on either side. Unlike its big brother the Avanti EB, the Avanti E is based on the lower Fiat Ducato with a height of 2 meters 65. The interior of the Avanti E is very similar to its big brother. The most obvious difference is the storage space over the driver's seats, which can be folded up, providing more headroom over the driver and passenger seats. In living mode, these seats can be turned around, creating a cozy seating area together with the seating bench. In driving mode, you have 4 seats with 3-point safety belts. The window seat of the bench has an Isofix point with top tether for child seats. Beneath the lounge area, you'll find 2 handy storage compartments in the floor for shoes and other items. The Galley features a 2-flame cooker with piezo ignition and a solid cast iron stovetop. The spacious sink and the oven are finished in a 1-piece stainless steel unit, making them easy to clean. The fold-up work surface is very practical. Next to it on the right and within easy reach is an 80-litre absorber fridge with automatic energy selection. The bathroom opposite opens using 2 space-saving double doors. The toilet, wash basin and cupboards offer everything you need. The wash basin tap can be pulled out and attached to a shower mount. The shower with curtain also has 2 drains in the floor. The 2 beds in the rear are set up lengthways, one at 1 metre 85 and the other 1 metre 95, on the right and left sides of the vehicle. The space between them gives you access to 2 large pull-out drawers under the bed with more than enough space for folded clothes. You can also store clothes on hangers under the bed in the cupboard on the passenger side of the vehicle. Behind the 2 rear doors is the storage space of the Avanti E. The rear part of the bed can be folded up, creating more space for luggage. The Avanti E is a slimmer alternative to the larger EB for quality-conscious customers who like to have a lower camper van but also want the comfort of a vehicle with single beds.